Hi, my name is Melinda. I am the owner here at Loaded Brushes. We are a family-owned paint and sip studio located in Bedford. Our studio is definitely different than any other paint studio. We have our light-up chairs in our party room. Our front room is awesome. We have a beautiful mural on the wall. We worked really hard to make sure this place has a great, welcoming party vibe for adults and kids, everybody of all ages. So we offer all different types of classes here. Right now, our main thing that we do for our public classes is our open paint. And so for our open paint, everybody gets to pick their own painting. So we have a huge gallery on our website with all different types of selections. So if you come in with a group of 5 people, all 5 people get to pick their own painting. So you're not having to worry about everybody agreeing on one painting for the night. They each get to pick their own, and our instructors are here to guide everybody step by step. And it's always BYOB. We do your Paint Your Pet classes, where you send us a picture of your pet, we sketch them out, and we help you paint it. But one of my favorite classes that we do is our Blacklight Glow Flow class. And so our Glow Flow is a paint pouring class. It's abstract art, and it's a lot of fun. We make a huge mess, and we do it with fluorescent paints under the black light so everything glows. And at the end, even the mess that they make all over the tables is beautiful. We don't even want to clean it up. It's just so much fun. It's one of the coolest parties ever that we do here. My husband and I got this bright idea to buy an old schoolie. So we bought an old yellow school bus. We gutted it out, renovated the whole thing. We tricked the whole thing out, and now we can actually bring our party bus to your house. And it's a 2-hour event. We also do other things for larger groups, like corporate events. We can come out there and do mini art projects. But our party bus is just super cool. We are on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and a little bit on YouTube. All of them are at Loaded Brushes TX. So go like us, follow us, tag us, all that good stuff.